Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the table width on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
To increase your table width, you just open a document, blank document, and then click on the insert option here, and first insert a table. So I'm just going to insert a 3 into 3 table here. So you can see I have inserted the table here. So now I'm just going to increase the table property. Just click here on any cell, you just click here and I click on the option. You can see a table properties option here. You just click here. So why the column was so small? Because I just click on the column width, and you can also change the column width size. You can see the column width size has been changed. You can also make a just two, or you can untick it, whatever that you want. You can also change the row size and the column size. So now I just want to change the width of the bottom table. You just click on the color option here, and here you can see the table border size can be increased by this particular option. For example, I just going to insert another table. So just clicking here, and I just going to insert a table like this. Now I just want to click this, then increase the points up to, you can increase point up to 6. You can also keep it on 2.5. so in which size that you want, you can easily increase the row color, and you can also change the table border color by using this option. There is a lot of color options are here. You can easily change to red or black that you want, and you can easily increase the size of the table border by here. So try this option on Google Docs.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.